Hi, you're tuning in with Teacher Alyssa Travels. Hi, I'm here at Kata Beach, and honestly, this beach is as good as they say it is. It's a cloudy day, but it's still really beautiful, and the waves are really nice. I'm not good enough to go surfing, so unfortunately I can't do that yet, but they said maybe around 3 or 4 p.m. So that was actually around the same time that I went surfing last time. But I did an hour and a half, and the last 30 minutes there were like no waves or hardly any waves. And I just felt kind of tired at the end. So for me, I would recommend like 1 hour session for learning surfing. Like just the surfing lessons, I would just do 1 hour because I really didn't feel like I got a whole lot out of that last half hour. And plus you're gonna be really tired, especially if it's like your first or second time. So I'm gonna try it out for an hour again today and see how it goes. The seats, you just pay 100 baht for the day. And the guy was pretty cool. He let me leave and come back, so it's pretty nice. I also like that in front of the beach, you know, they have little stands. You can get some fruit, coconut, water. And for those of you that like to drink beer, yeah, you have that. There are actually a lot of tourists in Phuket now. Like, I've been here for 2 years and I've seen how quiet and died down it's been over the time that COVID has really hit Thailand hard. And like, these are the most tourists that I've seen ever in Thailand. So it's kind of cool to know that eventually things are going to get better here. And it's cool to be able to experience this right now. Really enjoying it.